How are you guys? How are you students? How are you teachers? Are you fine? So I am Jan Ahmed Abdul Sadiq. So today I want to talk about maths. I think you know maths and you love maths very much because it's like a game. Maths like a game. I love it when you study maths. That means you are studying the game. You are playing a game, but it won't mind. It wants you to open mind. That means only maths. So today only I want to talk about something. It is circles, and I think all of you know what means circles. It's a complete curve. It is a complete curve. We know that circles is like that. Okay? That means circles from grade 1 up to grade 12, all of us know what means circles. But what means sector, what means sector arc, minor arc, major arc, that things we will know today in this video about circles. So let us start. We know that circles are complete curve, that means, okay? But what means radius? Radius means when you make a center here, of course, because I don't have now a compass. I'm drawing. Of course, I don't have the compass now because I'm drawing in the board. So if I make like a small mistake in drawing, no problem, okay? So here, can you see the center here, the point on the center? Here first. When you make it a small line here, that means radius. Or radi for plural, okay? That means radi in plural, okay? But when you complete the line in the center, that means this line diameter, okay? That means radi is half of the diameter, okay? This is the first thing to know about radi and diameter. Radi is the half of diameter and diameter is the whole or its twice the radi. That means this thing is have a formula like D equal to 2R, or if we want to know like we have diameter and we have the one radi but we don't have the another radi. So that means what? That means we will make this formula. We will make D over 2 equal to R. Okay? This is the first thing. Let us go for the another lesson. So we talk about radi and diameter, and that radi is half of diameter and diameter is the twice of the radi. But now let us talk about chord or chord. What means chord? Chord here. That means chord. Okay? Line upon the circle. It's not in the center. It's not in the center. Because if it is in the center, that means it is diameter, not chord. Okay? This is the second thing. The third thing. First, there is no lines, but here in the center, point in the center. Here, this thing, what means? Or like in another way. Yeah. It's not like a curved circle, but here, when you see that there are small curve for the circle and big curve for the circle. That means when you put it together here, when you put it together, this and all of this It's called minor arc. Okay, and here it is major arc. But there's something. Arc, it is when you draw a circle and this arc, can you see? Can you see this arc? This is the arc here. When you make like that, this arc is a minor arc. But here, all of these arc are major arc. That means the big arc. Minor is the small arc. So let us see about like another example. Here and also the same thing. But see here, this have a name and this circle also have a name. How? And they have the same shape. Because here, can you see this line? And this line. Both of them are ready. Both of them are ready. Okay? Both of them are ready, but what's inside? Here, what is inside here? It is a quadrant. Okay? But here, this have another name, like how, and they have like the same shape. Because here, the name for this small arc or small sector, minor sector. And the name for all of this sector, it is a major sector. Okay? This is like some information, some circles to know, like the circles, to know the chord, to know the minor arc and major arc, and to know also the ready, here the ready, and the diameter that I tell you before, that it's here and it's the center of this. Okay? So also there are something about tergnancy and tergnant and signant. But this thing we will talk like in another video. In another class, we will talk about tergnancy and where it is. It's line. But where is this line in the circle? It's above or it's inside or it's below. We will discuss on these things, but in another video. Because I don't want to let this video like more for you to be bored from this period. No, I don't want to be. I want you like to enjoy this video because it's like a game. As we discussed before, that maths is like a game, and really I love very much maths because that means you are loving a game. Okay, so if I give example, like one circle have all of these lines in one circle. How, and it is for this circle, how we will make the radius, how we will make the diameter, how we will make like the other things. So I will give like some examples for these circles and we will name it, but in the variables, like in we will name it like in the variables. Okay. Here, if we make big circle and we make a center, then we'll make a line here and a line here. Then we'll make a line here. Okay? Then we'll make line here also. Okay, after that, was there another thing? Yeah, if you want, like 1 minute, if you you want to name from here up to here, okay? And we want to name from here to here, okay? So here, for place for this, it is y, okay, for this, and x for this, y, or let us took D and B. Here A and C, E and F, okay? And here also we'll took like G. So we name all of them, okay? We will make like here X. What is the name for X? What is the name for Y? So X, it is a minor arc because it is arc, okay? Then Y, it is a major arc. Major arc. We know about X and Y, but from A to C, what it is? From A to C, it is a radii. Okay? What from E to F? E to F, it is a diameter. Okay, what is from E to A? From E to A. E to A, it is also a radii. Okay? After that, what? It is D to B. DB, it is a chord. Okay? What is G here? What is G? G, it is a minor sector. Okay? And here, from here up to here, that means all of this, up to here, all of this, we will say that it is that. That means major sector. Okay? Now we name all what were. That means now we what we learned, now we make it in one circle. Okay? But there's something also that this here, can you see all this circle? It is circumference. Okay? But also I think you hear about semicircle. What means semicircle? Semicircle, 1 minute. Here. Semicircle is like a diameter, but it is the half of the circle. But chord, as we know, that it is a quarter of the circle. Okay, there are difference between semicircle and chord. Okay, and also it is a diameter because it's in the point, in the center of the point. Okay, that about circles, and the next video will talk about tegnancy, segment, and tegnament, and another thing is that about circles. And also we will solve some exercise, we will solve some questions about circles, and of course we will solve it together and that things, and we'll make another things. So like, thank you for watching. I think that you hope I hope that you benefit from this lesson, which is circles, about semicircles, chords, quadrant, minor arc, major arc, sector, and also minor sector, major sector, and also like another things. And don't forget the formula for diameter, which is twice of the 2 times r, or twice of the radii, and radii is the half of the diameter. Okay, so thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and I hope you benefit. Goodbye.